Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Okay guys, today I am about to plait my hair puff puff. Okay, I'm about to plait puff puff, which Igbo people call am tukuru. So guys, you guys to follow me and watch how I plait my puff puff. Okay, I hope you guys understand. Let's start. Okay, let's start. So follow me please and watch. Guys, I have two type of different thread. I have brown, I have black. So I have to use this black so it will match my hair. You understand? Because if I use this brown, it will show on my hair, then the thing will not look fine. So guys, I have to use this black thread. Okay, so what you have to do, you just comb the hair very well. After you comb your hair, then you cut the hair like this. Can you see what I'm doing? You do it like this. Then after you do it like this, all you want to say that people's club, I will do that. I will say that the Becca's club in Dallas. Ogalanyoke Jota, you are a serious. Open the regulation. Every single move on the one to do with a or can you read the glory? But you want them walk on the other. And every much you go to say, we want the man who do the man so yeah, he go to a party. None of the man, what? Where for my church? Mind no matter who I am. Chief Mrs. Catherine, when you're going to feel it, dear man, I'm going to say, I'm going to say, I'm going to say,
Bruno is the best player in the league. Solskjaer remained coy on the situation when asked about it following the Norwich game, but did say he would be back to.
Guys, you can see how I plate my puff puff. Tukuru, can you see it? So after that, you have to do. Let me put my wig, okay?